two ladies that I have been playing with for right now, trying to create their storylines. So this is a base model house that the game already came with. So there's a few things that were left the same, like the porch and the outside of the house. I did not change, as you guys can see, really nice. So we're gonna move on into the inside of the house. And this is my, I'm very new to The Sims, so this is my first time, filming one of these videos. So please excuse me while I learn the actual camera modes. So yes, so I'm gonna back up in the corner so we could just do an aerial view. So this is the ladies' living room, open concept kitchen, living room, and dining room. Super wonderful. Love the dark hues, very earthy. I would like a little bit more greens, but I don't have really good plant CC. But yes, so you guys can see the overview. So let's move into the living room so you guys can get more detail. So we have these bamboo columns, as you guys can see, with a really nice widescreen TV. I love these ottomans right here. Adds a really nice accent to the house with the rug. The couch is beautiful with a nice coffee table with a PlayStation on there. Jada is my gamer and programmer. She's like a complete computer nerd. So we definitely had to have the Fortnite on deck. This is the living room. Excuse me, the couch set. Super pretty. Absolutely love that. Gorgeous. And then we're going to move into the dining room. Super simple. This is just a basic model of their house. I still have more decorating and stuff to do. I've downloaded so much CC, but it's so hard to go through everything. So as I play, I'm going to update their house and stuff. But this is, like I said, this their little dining room area, as you guys can see. Um, Love the gold chair with the marble. This is exactly how I would have my dining room with a nice chandelier hanging down. Super gorgeous. Like I said, I'm loving the earth tones in here. And it's so funny. I don't know how many of you guys actually watch beauty gurus here on YouTube, but there is a beauty guru, Patricia Bright, and I actually just finished watching her video of her house tour, and she was like complaining about her brown living room walls, and she was like, who paints their walls brown? And I just started laughing because I was like, me, honey. I love, like, if I give you guys a tour of some of my Sims houses, legit all of them will have like a brown hue to it, or black. Legit, like it's either brown or black, no in between. But anyway, so this is the base kitchen. I didn't realize that the picture and the little thing hanging over the fireplace was there. That's from the base model of the house. So I didn't change that, but I did add this nice kitchen with the island. This is my first time creating an island, and I'm so pleased with how it came out. Really, really nice. Love the cabinet space and stuff. It's just really, really gorgeous and pretty. I wanted to add the dishwasher. This set came with a dishwasher, but for some reason it wouldn't allow me to put it in here. And then the refrigerator, we have just a little coffee pot. Really nice. So yeah, super cute. So now we're gonna move on to, we'll save this room right here for last. We're gonna go into the bathroom really quickly. And my ladies are sleeping, so they're in their beds, and you'll see that once we get there. So this is their bathroom. They just have one bathroom. We have a really nice shower. I liked how I wanted to give the bathroom kind of a spa scene, a spa feel, excuse me. Oh my God, we have to mop up in here. We're such slobs. But anyways, love this cute photo. This is the vanity with a couple of items just on here. Let me back up a little. So yeah, simple bathroom. Like I said, as we play, we will update a few things. But yeah, this is the bathroom. So the first girl's room we're gonna go into, Layla's room. Now, so far, I am enjoying playing Layla. So, we're going to go into Layla's room and I'll tell you a little bit about her. So, this is Layla's room. As I told you, she is sleeping. My ladies are sleeping right now. So, this is Layla's room. So, Layla is a writer. She's going to be a world famous writer. So, as of right now, we have written 3 or 4 books, 1 poem, a couple of children's stories. She's materialistic. She's a snob, but then she's still kind of like earthy. You know what I'm saying? She's, as you can see, very vain with her shopping bags and stuff. cute, nice little vanity. Like I said, very earthy, bright colors with her. Everything is nice, airy, and flowy. She does yoga. So yeah, this is Layla's room. Like I said, just simple to start with. Um, and we'll upgrade as, we build in the lady's storyline and stuff. So that is my girl, Layla. So now we're gonna go into Jada, and Jada is her homegirl, her best friend. So Jada is a tomboy. She's the gamer, the goofball, the funny one. So this is Jada's room right here. Love Jada's room. Her room was the first room that I created. Her vanity is cute. Love the photos on her wall. She's just super fun and yet still girly. Hence all of the gray, hence all of the gray and white. We'll back up so you can see that. I love these little letters that we can put on the Sims room. I swear all of my Sims are going to have that. This is her station where she practices her programming, where she plays her online video games and stuff. She also is a bookworm as well. But this special room, Jada is also a YouTuber. Layla films YouTube as well sometimes. But Jada is going to be my star YouTuber. So we're going to enter her room. So she has a nice little screen door, as you guys can see, that enters into the room. And voila! So there's another entrance to this room from the living room area. But this is the filming room. It's super simple. Like I said, we'll update as we go. I'm fairly new to The Sims, so my decorating skills is very minimal. I'm proud of what I've done, but yeah. So this is where Jada films her YouTubes and her blogs and where she edits and stuff. I love these little lights right here on the wall. I've seen a lot of other simmers do this in their beauty rooms, and it just opens up the room and makes it a lot more brighter. This is a little lounge seating area if Jada wants to come and hang out or whatever. Her and Layla, if they wanted to come and hang out. Jada comes and reads in here. So yeah, you guys, that is it for my little mini house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to introducing you guys to the ladies. So yeah, like I said, this is my first video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please